Hey, you guys, around the corner trucking. Nothing special here. Just coming in to say hi. I ain't made a video in a minute. I ain't feeling good today. Woke up with 102 fever, so I missed out on a $500 load for like 140 miles. But your life is more important than money. So, there's just those days you just can't make no money. Ice, 102 fevers. It's a little bit better now. I'm assuming I got the flu. I'm not 100% sure, but it is what it is. I'm just at home. I look like crap. But the main thing I was just going to say is I hope you guys had a good holiday, had a good Happy New Year's. Keep trucking. That way we can keep the country moving. And it's that tax season. Don't forget your receipts, you guys. Make sure you're keeping your receipts for your taxes. So you have your tax write-off, your gas, the food, tolls, that's all. Or at least here in the state of Washington, that's tax write-off. And I'm pretty sure everywhere federally, there's a tax write-off, food, gas, tolls. If you park your truck somewhere, that's a tax write-off. Um, what else is there? Maintenance, your maintenance, and all that. Like my year, this is my first full year. Like last year, I started in August my trucking business. Now this I did a full year, and profit wise, it wasn't bad. Could have been better, but there was a lot of downtime because of maintenance on the truck. From where I had to get my box truck lights fixed. What was it? There was engine parts. Maintenance will kill you in this trucking industry. For some reason, everything is ridiculously high. The labor cost is crazy. That for some reason, some of these places think, $400 an hour for electrical work is a reasonable price, and I don't even know electricians that make that who, are unionized and all that. So the trucking industry is bonkers when it comes down to repairs. That's why a lot of people say you need to do your own maintenance and stuff, which is true. Oh, excuse me. Because like right now, I don't go. I used to go to Love's here in Fife, Washington, and they would do my oil change. Well, for some reason, the oil prices for their oil change went through the roof. For a 26-foot box truck, they want like $700 something just to do an oil change, and they want to charge you extra just for using T6 oil, which is crazy. They want to charge you extra for them having to touch a bottle to put in your truck, the oil. It's retarded. So that's one of the reasons they talk about doing your own maintenance, which I'll probably go ahead and get my buy some equipment so I can at least do my own oil change and stuff. I used to do oil changes and stuff on my cars before, but that's a whole different setup than a truck. You need a bigger oil pan and all that stuff. So, but yeah, I'll stay healthy, you guys. The flu is going around. The COVID variant's going around, and I'm pretty sure it's my fault because I don't wear my mask as much as I used to. Because when I usually pick up my loads, I'm not really around people. If I'm at Amazon or something I find on the DAT load board, usually when I go pick stuff up, I'm just not really around people close enough to where I gotta worry about catching something. Because I ain't been sick where I got 102 fever probably at least good 4 or 5 years. And I tried not to get sick, but I got sick. So I'm at home today. So take care of yourself. Get your taxes ready. Get all your paperwork ready. So you can get all your tax write-offs because you're going to need it. Supposedly diesel's supposed to be going back up. I don't know why, but supposedly it's going up. I haven't seen anything special saying diesel should be going up, but supposedly it's going up. I found some footage off of my dash cam. My dash cam is weird. For some reason, it'll just automatically lock in a video. And just out of the blue. And so there was one on there from when we had snow here in Washington. So I'm gonna put that on the end of this video and just to show some of the driving and stuff here. But yeah, I gotta get a new dash cam because it's kind of weird to me what it does. Sometimes when I want it to save stuff, it don't save. And then other times it just be a random video on there from like a month ago. I'm like, where'd that come from? So All right, you guys, take it easy. Keep trucking. Have a good one.